How to make money online as a broke beginner. If you are looking for making money online and you do not have any experience at all, this is the video for you. All you need is to follow my step-by-step guidelines and you are good to go to use this system. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home, I have placed my link in the description box, which is my most recommended system out there. And this is the place from where I have learned all those concepts and I recommend you to join system for free. Let's start it with the today's video. In step 1, visit the clickbank.com. Clickbank is actually a marketplace where you will find digital affiliate products. And all you need is to create an account with the Clickbank and you're good to go to promote Clickbank products to your audience. Click on create account. Provide your required information, personal information, banking information and account information. It hardly takes you 3 to 5 minutes, and after creating an account with your Clickbank, just log into the Clickbank and click on affiliate marketplace. Here you will find different categories. These are actually different types of niches and you can work on any niche. I recommend you to start your journey with either e-business and e-marketing or health and fitness, because there are a lot of affiliate products out there and you will find tons of affiliate products, and those products will also offer you generous affiliate commission. Moreover, there are a large number of audience who are looking online about these two categories. They are searching on the Google about how to make money online, how to lose weight, and these are the niches that will deal to those people. I generally prefer to work on e-business and e-marketing because I have a knowledge about this niche and there are a lot of products in this niche that will offer you more than $100 affiliate commission. However, if you have a knowledge about health and fitness or you like that niche, then health and fitness is equally good niche for you. Just click on e-business and e-marketing and these are the products that are included in this niche. I recommend you to sort those products choosing gravity. Gravity is the number which tells us that how many affiliates are making money by selling that particular products. Let's suppose this product has a gravity of 98. It means that nearly 98 affiliates are making money from selling these products in the last 3 months. And this is the average commission that you will earn after selling this product to your audience. I recommend you to choose a product that has a gravity of at least 40 and that offers you more than $100 commission. So let's suppose this is the product Super Affiliate System. It has a gravity of 63 and it offers you more than $500 affiliate commission. Apart from this product, there are other products as well that will offer you some generous commission, like Clickbank University, gravity of 40 and it is offering you an average commission of $164. For the sake of this video, I am just choosing this product Super Affiliate System. However, you can copy this method with other Clickbank products as well. Just click on promote. Now here you will see that there are different types of pages you can promote this to your audience. If you just click on the default page, let's suppose if you send your visitors to this page, then those visitors will click on sign up for the free training, and John Crestani, this is the guy that will send your visitors about 4 days training, free training, and after that this guy will send them his premium course, that is a Super Affiliate System. The cost of that premium course is about $1,000, and let's suppose if those visitors will actually end up buying that product, this will earn you nearly 50% commission, that is $500. And if you click on that direct to sales page, so you can send your visitors directly to the sales page. If I just click on the sales page, This is the sales page about this product, and you will get to know about this product, what is included, what is inside the members area, and what is the pricing structure, what are the upsells, and all the information about the super affiliate system from this page. I recommend you to click on the default button and click on generate hop links. It will generate an hop link for you, that is your affiliate link. I have not actually logged into my account, but if you just log into your account, there is a link generated below of this page, that is your affiliate link, and I will show you how you can use that affiliate link and earn affiliate commission. Now let's move to the YouTube and search for super affiliate system review. These are the videos that will come first, and these are the people who are actually making money from these products. I am just giving you an example here. Let's suppose this is the guy who has just uploaded this video 2 weeks ago, and he has received over 11,000 views on super affiliate system. And if I just click on this video, if you just look at the description area, this is the affiliate link of this guy, and anyone who will purchase super affiliate system using this link, this guy will earn affiliate commission. If I just bring out my calculator here and show you the rough calculation about how much this guy has earned by uploading just simple video about super affiliate system, you will be really amazed to know that this guy has earned over many thousands of dollars. Total views, nearly 12,000 views. If I just take only 1%, 0.01%, it means this guy has sold nearly 120 products, and the average affiliate commission for each product is $516. If I multiply this by $516, over $60,000 from just one video and promoting just one product. That's the massive affiliate commission. Even if you just take less than 1%, if I just take 0.5%, just divide this by 2, this is the amount, over $30,000 from this one video. Even I have seen that people are converting 1 to 3% on their videos, but this is the high pricing item, so you can imagine that this product will definitely have a low conversion rate. But as the commission structure is high, you are earning more than $500, so for every sale you have a high chance to earn more than $500, and for 10 sales you will earn $5,000. That's a massive affiliate commission just by promoting this super affiliate system. Even if you just look at some other products or other reviews, 5,000 views, 3,000 views, 1,000 views. Even if you just receive 1,000 reviews, 1,000, and if you multiply this by 0.1%, 10 sales multiplied by average affiliate commission, 516. So over $5,000 just by uploading one video and earning from just one affiliate commission. That's the potential of creating videos on YouTube and earning thousands of dollars online. Now you may be thinking that you are a camera shy person and you do not want to show your face and how to create such types of videos. Then no worry. If you're a camera shy person, then you can just record your voiceover and you can record your desktop, just like I am recording my videos. As I am not showing my face here, I am just recording my voiceover and I am capturing my desktop. At the end of the video, I will show you a simple free software that you can use and you can record your desktop. You may be thinking that, as you do not have the product, then how can you talk about the product? Don't worry. If you even do not have the product, then just click on the sales page. Just click on promote, click on direct to sales page, and you will get to know about the sales page, what are included in these products, how much price and how much cost and how many upsells are included in the product. And your job is to just make the slides about those things and you have to speak about those things in your video. Like you are just, as you have just opened up this page and you are recording your desktop, and on every video you are doing your voiceover on that video. You will get the information about, this is the things that are included in this product: access to private community, 6-week training course, 100% money back guarantee, one-time special offer for today only, 1-year access, affiliate program acceptance, usually $5,000, and these are all stuff that are included in the system. And in the week 1, this system will guide you what are the things, setting up your website, Facebook ad setup, common setup mistakes. In week 2, what will included in the course. In week 3, week 4, week 5, and week 6. So that's how you can gather information from the sales page. And all you need is to, record video, record your audio on this page, and tell about what is included in week 2, week 1, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6. And at the end of the video, just, provide your downsides and upsides about this product. You can gather that information by searching on the Google, because a lot of people have reviewed this product and they have shown their experience. There are a lot of experienced affiliates who have knowledge in the industry, and they will provide you what are the upsides and downsides of this product. Just take ideas from those people and make a slides and record your video. Don't worry, it hardly takes you a few minutes, and you come up with 10+ minute video that will be awesome for you. For recording your voiceover and recording your desktop, there is a free tool that is known as screencast-o-matic.com. Just visit this website and click on sign up. It's free. Just create your account and you can use this software. Personally, I am using Camtasia. If you wanted to use Camtasia, then you can search for Camtasia software, or there are another software that is known as Filmora, but they will cost you money. If you are using for the free software, then Screencast-O-Matic is the free version, and it is great to start your journey. Even if you wanted to get access to their premium plans, they definitely have the premium plan versions: Solo Deluxe and Solo Premier. And these are the things that are included in free, deluxe, and premier. And you can use the software for free. It will generally do all the tasks for you. These are the things that is included in the free: record screen or webcam, record window or full screen. If you wanted to show your face just like this, you can use the Screencast-O-Matic software, and you can open up your webcam, and this software will record your both voiceover, and it will also record your video as well. If you just go through their plans, then these are different plans: recorder features, video editing tools, video hosting and sharing, backup and restore. And if you definitely have the budget, you can go for the deluxe, $1.5 per month. It do not have costly investment. Just take your $18 per year, and you're good to go to use this software for 1 year. It is not a major investment, just $18. It's your tea, it is your cup of coffee and a cup of tea, and you are good to go to use this tool. Keep remember that you may not get the results just by uploading one video. So what to do? Your task is to be consistent, just like this guy. If you just look at the John Armstrong channel, you will get to know that. Move to video section, and you will get to know that this guy is very consistent. Like 34 minutes ago, 12 hours ago, he is uploading videos on a regular basis in his channel, and that's why he has over 41,000 subscribers. And these are all on which there is a thumbnail. It is all about reviewing products. You will find products on the ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Just review those products and upload it on your channel. Apart from the reviews, you can talk about different money making concepts, and once you do it on a regular basis, then definitely the authority of your channel will grow and it will start receiving traffic. And all you need is to paste your affiliate link in the description box, just like this guy has pasted his affiliate link in the description box. And there are two ways: you can either directly promote this product to your audience, or you can build an email list. But at the start, I recommend you to paste your affiliate link directly at the description box, and later on, once you get more advanced user, you can paste your opt-in page link here, and you can divert traffic from the YouTube to your opt-in page, and that's how you can get the email IDs of your addresses, and you can follow them up lately. These are the things that are included in this video, and it is it is free investment. Creating a YouTube channel is free, creating an account on the ClickBank is free, creating an account on the Screencast-O-Matic is free, and all these things are free. Just do it in a step-by-step manner, and you will start seeing massive growth over the next few months. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.